To dispute Apple Pay two-factor authentication, you need to understand the process and the steps involved. Apple Pay is a secure payment method that uses two-factor authentication to protect your transactions. If you encounter any issues with the two-factor authentication process, you can dispute it by following these steps. First, ensure that your device and Apple Pay are up to date, as this can resolve many issues. Then check that your authentication method is correct and that you have a stable internet connection. If the issue persists, you can try restarting your device or checking the Apple system status page for any outages. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you can contact Apple support directly. They will guide you through the process of disputing the two-factor authentication. You will need to provide some information to verify your identity, such as your name and Apple ID. Apple support will then investigate the issue and work with you to resolve it. This may involve resetting your two-factor authentication or providing additional verification methods. It is essential to keep your Apple ID and password secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you can dispute Apple Pay two-factor authentication and resolve any issues you are experiencing. Remember to always keep your device and Apple Pay up to date and to contact Apple support if you need any assistance. This will help to ensure that your transactions are secure and that you can use Apple Pay with confidence.